Well, I had so much fun making the previous layout here. I decided to go for a checkerboard background this time and figure out what I want to put on top of it as a focal point. So I'm going to do pink and brown. That used to be like a baby's clothes. I remember that was popular. I don't remember when exactly. This one's too low. 2010s maybe? Maybe? Pink and brown was the big color for baby girls. So I'm going to try it here. Okay. And we need brown. And then figure out what I'm going to put on top of it. I need brown. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of precision glue tip bottle to get, because I can't afford the art glitter glue. I mainly just want it to get around like when I'm doing like maybe surreal collages where you've got to lift up pieces and tuck pieces in, and you got to glue down parts of it, so then you want to do the edges. There, that's pretty, and I don't think I'm going to trim it off on the bottom. I think she looks pretty darn cute here, but what else can I put there with her? There's a dog that's fussy cut. It kind of blends in with the background though. Maybe a teddy bear or something. Got a couple of teddy bears. Here we go. She could be there with her teddy bear. What else have I got? Alright, so I have decided it's either going to be the little girl and this bear, or the little girl and the flower pot, and honestly, I think I like the flower pot better than the bear. I still have to do her hair there, though. I've also got a sleeping kitty, which would be cute. But I think I do like this best, and I'm going to get my little cutting board here. Move my picture book away. And I'm going to attempt to cut that little piece out of her ponytail. And somehow I feel like I might mess up. It's very tiny. I can already see that there's still going to be white there where I've messed up. So let's see how it looks. It's just a tiny bit of white still there. It might be okay. Yeah, you can still see the pink behind it, so that's my point there. I do still feel like something should be under, like grass or something, you know? Gotta figure that out. I got this little piece of grass. I still don't like the way it looks. And I saw this, and I thought, what if I fussy cut that out and put it like around them? That might work. Alright, so I've got this cut out, and I was thinking about maybe just cutting it right off at about here. I could put that like that, and then I was thinking of maybe making some slits here. I'm not really sure how to do it, but let's just give it a shot, and maybe we can have them look like they're coming up around her a little bit, you know? I don't know, maybe. But like I wanted, or maybe I need to cut her foot in between her feet here a little bit, and then we could kind of do that. I don't know. I don't know if that looks good. I think it looks maybe better to do it like that and then have her foot going in slightly right here. Maybe that. Let's see. So what did we say we were going to do? This. We said we were going to do that. Yeah, I think that looks good. Let's do that. Got one foot kind of covered up and one sticking out. And we'll put the flowers, like, maybe we need to do this. And we can do the flower kind of like that too. The flower pot. Oh boy. Alright, see, this is where it would come in handy to have that glue, the precision glue that I was talking about earlier. And let's see how this will look kind of tucked in there. I think it needs to go down lower. Maybe actually need to cut it here. I think so. I think what I am going to do though is try to have this, I want both of her boots to show, but one not as much as the other. Alright, she's a little bit tilted though. Alright, so that's going to be like that. And maybe even, should we pull another one out? I don't know. Now I'm confused. Okay, I think that's good. And then this one, maybe quite just like that. Although, what did I say? I said I was going to cut down here a little bit. Let's try that. A little bit lower. Oh yeah, that looks good. So, I think we have our layout. I think we have it. Move that up a little bit. I want to see some of the flower pot. Yes, I think that's good. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What'd I say? No, it was this way. It was this way. We wanted some of the flower pot showing, but not all of it. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Didn't go down all the way. Okay, so that's like that. I don't know, maybe we could put it halfway out. And then she, oh boy, it's so hard to know where to put the glue. That's why it would be better to have that precision tip glue. What do we say? Down here. One of them was going to be in front of her, and one was going down. There we go. There we go. All right, let's, oh gosh. Oh, don't fall out, don't fall out. You can see I'm not very experienced with this. Okay. And I think it definitely works better without not using glue stick. There. Okay, I think we're good. Let's attach this part here. Well, there we go. She's good. Let's try to get her glued on there. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the back. Well, I could use that, so maybe not. Let me get my glue page, which I have since lost. Get this out. And let's get her glued on very carefully. Alright, I think I got glue on everything, and let's just get it done here. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to have to cut some of this off. Okay, I don't know why I thought I had plenty of glue on her. I accidentally bought this something called repositionable glue, which I thought actually might be good for collaging like this, because you can probably have more wiggle room. Alright, let's cut this off. Actually, it doesn't matter now if I do cut that off. No one's going to notice. It's covered up already. So we'll make it the right size. After this, I'm going outside. And I think I do want to find some words. Alright, so I found a couple of phrases for this one. It says unusual, elegance, and respect. A profound dignity encompassed her. I thought that seemed pretty cool. And so that's what I'm going with. And of course, they're not straight. So, there's that. Maybe I can straighten it up. It's mostly this one. It might not come up. Oh yeah, but it's just still good enough to come up. Okay, let's see if I can get it on straight this time. That's better. There we go. An unusual elegance and respect, a profound dignity encompassed her. I think that's pretty darn cute, if I do say so myself. So remember to stay strong and courageous in our crazy world. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I'm hoping you have a great day.